Soft, dusty mauve and creamy tones bring class to mother of the bride style. These colors flatter skin tones, look great in photos, and whisper elegance without stealing spotlight. On my day, my choice. We explore dresses that feel timeless and modern, from ceremony to dance floor. We'll cover silhouettes, fabrics, and styling tips. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Stay with me for confident choices that honor the day. Dusty mauve blends soft pink with gray, making an elegant shade. Cream sits between ivory and white, offering warmth without competing with the bride. Together, they photograph in outdoor light and indoor halls. This pairing suits many ages and complexions. Feels refined, supportive, and proud. Consider bouquet colors, ties, or pocket squares nearby. A flattering silhouette helps you feel calm and move easily. A-line dresses skim the waist and suit many figures. Sheath styles look sleek and pair well with jackets. Fit and flare adds gentle shape without clinging. T-length keeps hemlines dance-friendly. Choose sleeves, cap sleeves, or a lace jacket if coverage helps confidence. V-neck and bateau necklines charm. Fabric changes the mood of dusty mauve and cream. Chiffon floats and feels airy for warm days. Crepe gives structure and hides lines. Satin brings shine for evening halls. Lace adds texture, especially over a cream underlayer. Jersey stretches for comfort during long ceremonies. Check lining so colors read true, not washed out. Hold fabric in daylight and indoor light, because photos will capture both. Accessories polish the full look. Try a cream shawl over dusty mauve, or a mauve wrap over cream. Rose gold, silver, or pearl jewelry adds soft reflection without glare. A clutch keeps tissues and lipstick close. Choose shoes in nude, champagne, or mauve for a long leg line. If your culture favors hats or fascinators, keep them delicate. Match lipstick undertones to dress warmth. Thank you for spending time with My Day My Choice. Dusty mauve and cream can carry you from vows to dance with grace and pride. Choose the silhouette, fabric, and details that make you breathe easier and smile brighter. For dress ideas and accessories, check the description below. Amazon affiliate links are listed. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.